In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate IDX listings into your Wix website, enhancing its functionality and giving your visitors a better user experience. Adding IDX listings can take your real estate website to the next level, allowing you to display current dynamic property listings directly from your multiple listing service provider. Whether you're a seasoned pro with website building or just getting started, I'll guide you through this process step by step to ensure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your website in the Wix editor. This is your main workspace for designing and editing your site, and it's accessible right from your Wix account. Simply log in, navigate to your dashboard, and select the site you'd like to edit. Once you're into the Wix editor, you'll have full access to its powerful design tools and features. Make sure to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. The intuitive design is aimed at making your editing experience both easy and enjoyable. Next, let's add the necessary elements to your page. Look to the left-hand menu where you'll see the option to Add Elements. This section acts as your toolbox, holding everything you need to enhance your website with new features and functionalities. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. From images and text to interactive elements, this menu houses a wealth of features at your fingertips, ready to be dragged and dropped wherever you need them on your page. Now that you're in the Add Elements menu, you'll want to find the Embed Code section. This is where we can input external code or URLs to bring additional functionalities to your site. Click Embed Code, and here you'll get a couple of options. Based on what you're trying to accomplish, you can either choose Embed Site if you're looking to add an entire page or section from another site, or Embed HTML for more specific scripts or widgets. In this particular case, both options will be able to serve our purpose. Once you've made your selection, you'll see a field open up where you can paste your IDX URL or the embed code. Carefully enter the code or URL you received from your MLS provider into this field. This is a crucial step, as correctly embedding this code ensures your listings display accurately and update dynamically in line with your MLS feed. Double-check the information, and once you're satisfied, you're all set to go. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated IDX listings into your Wix website, allowing for a richer, more interactive experience for visitors. Remember, this addition not only provides value to your site, but also helps potential clients see up-to-date property listings without having to leave your page. Keep exploring the editor and all it has to offer to continue enhancing your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.